Let's subtract numbers using the Vedic method. So this is a different way of subtracting number. The school method of subtraction starts from right to left, but the Vedic method starts from left to right. So this is a simplified way of the Vedic method I'm going to introduce to you. It's very easy. We just simply subtract the first digits column. So 5 minus 2, that's 3. Let's write down the difference here first, 3. And let's look at the next digits. That's 2 minus 8. It cannot be, so we'll borrow 1 from 3. This now becomes 2. And the one that we borrow, we put it here. And 12 minus 8 gives us 4. Let's write it down here first and look at the next digits. So that can't be. We borrow 1 from 4. This is now 3, and put the one that we borrow here. 13 minus 9, that gives us 4. Let's write it down here first. Since the next digits column can be subtracted, so we just simply write the 4 here. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Now let's proceed to number 2. We'll do the same. 6 minus 2, it gives us 4. And look at the next column. This one can't be, so we borrow 1 here. So this is 3. This becomes 15. 15 minus 8, that is, let's write it down here first. That's 7. And then the next one can't be, so we borrow 1 from here. So this is 6. And the one we borrow, we put it here. So 10 minus 4, that is 6. The next digit can be, so we just bring down the 6 here. And 8 minus 3, that is 5. Since the next digit can't be, so we borrow 1 from 5. This is 4. And we put the one that we borrow here. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, moving now to number 3. 9 minus 4, that is 5. The next digit can't be, so we borrow 1 from 5. So this becomes 4. Put the 1 here. 13 minus 8, that is 5. And the next column can be subtracted, so we just bring down 5 here. And 6 minus 2, that's 4. And next columns cannot be subtracted, so we borrow 1 from 4, becomes 3. Put the one that we borrow here. 14 minus 9, that's 5. And the next digit can't be subtracted, so we borrow 1 from 5, that becomes 4. We put the one that we borrow here. Then 10 minus 6, that is 4. Okay, since the next column can be subtracted, so we bring down 4, and 5 minus 1 is 4. And number 4, 7 minus 5, that is 2. And the next digit can't be divided, so we borrow 1 here, so this is 1, and put the one that we borrow here. 12 minus 8, that gives us 4. The next digits can be the next column can be subtracted, so we bring down 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, and the next column can't be subtracted, so we borrow 1 from 4. This is now 3. Put the one we borrow here. And 14 minus 6, that is 8. The next column can't be subtracted, so we borrow 1 from 8. This is now 7. Put 1 here. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now let's move here to number 6. 8 minus 3, that is 5. And then the next digits can't be, the next column can't be subtracted, so we borrow 1 from here. This is now 4, and this becomes 11. 11 minus 4, that is 7. Next, this can be subtracted, but let's hold on to it. This is interesting here, because this one, if we subtract it, this is 0, right? But the next digit can't be. We need to borrow 1 from here, from 7. This is now 6. And the one we borrow, we put it here. This is now 10. And 10 can be borrowed here now. So 10 minus 1 is 9. And the one we borrow, we put it here. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Since the next column can't be subtracted, so this is, we borrow 1 from here. This is 3. And put the one that we borrow here. And 12 minus 7 is 5. Now try to do number 5.